Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Septiana. Today I would like to present about my research entitled Language Style Used in Seymour Train's novel A Sociolinguistic Analysis. Before we go into the topic, there's a table of contents. First is background of study. Second, research question. Third, objective of study. Fourth, significance of study. Fifth, literature review. Sixth, theoretical approach. Seventh, method of research. And the last is paper organization. First, I would like to explain about my background of study. Why the researcher chooses Seymour Train's novel. First, the researchers found there is an utterance that is not in accordance with the theory about language style by Martin Joos. Second, this novel tells about the unstable teenager's life, about those who try to find their identity and who try to get closer to God by avoiding all harm things. What the researchers wants to do? The researchers wants to find and analyze the kinds of language style in Seymour Train's novel. And how to do that? The researchers analyzing the object using the theory about language style by Martin Joos. Next, there is a research question. The research question is what kinds of language style that used in Seymour Train's novel. Next, the objective of study is to find out the kind of language style that used in Seymour Train's novel. Next, there is a significance of study. The aim of this research are to increase the knowledge of the researchers and the readers of this research about language style. The researchers hopes this research to be a reference to the next researcher that wants to do the research about language style, and the reader can understand more about language style. Next, there is a literature review. First, there is a graduating paper entitled Language Style Used in the Kite Runner novel written by Khaled Hosseini in Sociolinguistics. This is a graduating paper written by Hayati Yusti Karina, student of State Islamic University of Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta. Second, there is a journal entitled Analysis of Language Style found in novel The Last Tycoon written by F. Scott Fitzgerald. This journal written by Dila Sapriani, Hermawati Sharif, and Hafid Ardi, students of State University of Padang. Next, there is a journal entitled Language Style Used in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. This journal, written by Reza Ferrara Jamil and Nasrum, student of State Islamic University of Alauddin Makassar. The last, there is a journal entitled The Analysis of Language Style and the Illocutionary Act found in teen lead novel The Perfect Husband written by Indah Riana. This journal by Nisisipi Nispi Rahayu and Septiana Parmawati, student of IKIP Siliwangi. Next, there is a theoretical approach. The researcher is interested in using Martin Joos' theory about language style. Martin Joos divides language style into 5 styles. There are frozen style, formal style, consultative style, casual style, and intimate style. Frozen style is used in very formal setting, such as in church, mosque, ritual, or other occasion. Formal style is used in formal situation, such as in university classroom, seminar, and etc. Consultative style is used in semi-formal situation, for example, between doctor and patient conversation, employer and employee, and etc. Next is casual style, is used among students, co-worker, and family. The last in intimate style. Intimate style is used among the intimate families members, such as between wife and husband. Next is method of research. First is type of research. The researcher uses descriptive method for this research. The descriptive method aims to provide an objective utterance of language style According to the data which contained in the novel entitled Seaward Trains, this method does not use numbering and calculating. Therefore, descriptive method is related to this research because the researcher is trying to identify the language style in Seaward Trains novel. Next is data source. In this research, data sources are from Seaward Trains novel written by Naima B. Roberts in 2014 and has been published by Kube Publishing Ltd. Then, data are taken from the characters' utterance in the novel. Next is data collection technique. Data collection technique which is used in this research is documentation. The researchers read deeply Seaward Trains novel. Then, the researchers collects all the dialogue in Seaward Trains novel that use language style. Next is data analysis technique. In analyzing data, the researchers take some steps. Those are: first, identifying the types of language style which is found in Seaward Trains novel based on theory by Martin Jones. Next is classifying the types of language style that found in Seaward Trains novel into 5 types: formal, frozen, intimate, casual, and consultative styles. The last is giving the conclusion of the analysis. Next is paper organization. This research consists of 4 chapters. First is introduction, second is theoretical framework, third is finding and discussion, the last is conclusion and suggestion. Introduction consists of background of study that tells about the researchers choose this novel as an object and why these researchers choose this object. This chapter also includes the explanation about the problem statement, the object of study, significance of study, literature review, the method of study, and the last is paper organization. Next is theoretical framework. This chapter contains clear explanation about all theory which is used in this research. Third is finding and discussion. In this chapter, the researchers applies the theory to the data to find out the result. And the last, in this chapter, consists about the conclusion and the suggestion of this research. This is the last part of my presentation. Thank you for watching and listening my seminar today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.